Hello, and welcome to the demonstration of how to use the standard tie downs in a Kia Soul. We start with the standard tie down that comes with all our vehicles. You take the mount, it goes into the track secured to the floor. You simply press it down and slide it. It locks in. Once you have it secured, you then take the hook, find a place on your wheelchair to secure it. Once it is secured, you take the strap, tighten it down, fold the lock, and the vehicle is now secured in the vehicle. Once you reach your destination, you simply reverse the process by taking the strap, opening it, letting it slide, take your secure hook off, you pull up on the anchor, it comes right out of the track and goes back into storage, and your chair can be removed from the vehicle. Thank you.